Alright, here we go. Today I'm going to replace the internal battery on my Alphasmart NEO. This is the coin cell battery that saves your work in between battery changes, these batteries. I already took these batteries out because the battery cover has my phone number on it. So you'll need a Phillips screwdriver for that. And before you do anything, you should back up your files because they're going to get deleted. So, back up your files, get the Phillips screwdriver out to remove the battery cover. And then you're also going to need a number 10 Torx. That looks like this. Maybe. Yeah. And I'm going to use a number 7 on the smaller screws along the bottom. Okay. We're in. Alright, so that battery is located right here. And we want to make note of the orientation. Looks like the plus side goes up. There's a little plus sign right there. And if we push it out, let's use something plastic. Oh. Okay, we have a problem. I honestly don't remember if I've replaced the battery in this or not since I got it. But even if I did find something appropriate to push out the back, there's a piece of plastic in the way. So unfortunately you have to remove the, 4 screws that hold this board down. You shouldn't need to remove the ribbon cable. Let's try it without. Okay. So if we lift it up, now we can get to it. We can just push it out. Push it out with your finger. Maybe. Ow. Alright, back to the screwdriver. Just be careful. Okay, so we can see it is positive side up. So I've got some new batteries here. Cheapest place to buy these is the dollar store. Dollar General, Dollar Tree. If you're lucky enough to have Dollarama, probably Dollarama. Got it out. Got it plus side up. Gonna lift the board back up. Stick it in there plus side up. Make sure it goes all the way. And then settle it back down on its peg. The one that's blocking the battery. I believe that's all we need to do. Yeah, okay. It's got another one right here. So put the screws back in. Alright, so that's the board screws. Put the back on. If you want to, you might as well go ahead and make sure it comes back on while the back is off. So let me go get some batteries. Alright, I'm back. I have my batteries. Well, that's not going to work. I'm just going to put the back on. You know what? We'll compromise. I'll put two screws on. It helps if you use the right screw. P.S. Alright. Oh dear. I'll find it later. Alright. Now it says, an unexpected data change occurred. Did you recently remove or replace the Alphasmart's lithium backup battery? Battery just fell out. Hold on. Okay, I lost my little screw for a minute, but we're back to business. Awesome. Okay, as I was saying, it says, oh, by the way, I got the two, if you don't know about that, there's a 2-button on you can set it to. So if you put it in a backpack or something, it doesn't just come on by itself unless the backpack manages to press enter and then the power button. But that is pretty rare. So it says, an unexpected data change occurred. Did you recently remove or replace the Alphasmart's lithium backup battery? Yes, I did. So I will say why. Your Alphasmart needs to be restarted. You should not see the previous message again. We're going to restart. Alright, and file 1 is blank, as I expected. Everything's blank. Blank, 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 blank. Okay, so we have successfully changed the internal battery. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.